All right, everybody, here is how you replace the battery in your push to start 4Runner key fob. There is a little button here that if you slide to the right and pull, you can pull out your valet access key. Once you do that, take two hands and separate the key apart. Be very careful not to drop anything and to keep things in place. I can tell Alan has a German Shepherd like I do. So you're going to take the battery pack out. I like to use a small screwdriver. Now these are Energizer 2032 batteries. There's a little lip here that you can typically get underneath. We're going to pop that out. Here's our new battery going in. Put it in, positive on the outside. Now we're going to reverse everything we just did. Counter back up, please. Just like that, so the little notches are on the outside. Let's snap it back together, just like that, and reinsert the valet key until it locks. You're all set. That's how to replace the key fob battery in a push to start 4Runner.